Hey Steve, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about Jarvis restoration, but before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the three different ways on how you can be found on Google. So with that, let's just get started here. Now, if you say you would type in water damage restoration Fresno, you would see the sponsoreds will always be on the top here. So this is one way on how you could be found online. Usually, and how to get put here is you got to run ads for your business. The second way on how you can be found is your Google business profile, which is the Google Map Pack area here. So these three top positions, if you're not up here, these guys are getting 30% of their business from here. So in order to get here, you need to optimize your Google business profile. And with that, you need what's called citations and also Google reviews and photos. Thirdly, you can get found here uh, on the the organic section that Google likes to call this. So the three, and it's usually the top three. So Yelp holds the top position for this service area. You have Balance Comfort, which is in second, along with ServPro. Now, a quick note, the reason why Yelp is up here is because they're pushing national. Now, if we push local and did more than your competitor, which is Balanced Comfort, did, then we'd push past and beat Yelp. So, if you are not in any of these positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table. So with that, let's get right to it. So let's talk about Jarvis restoration. I like how your name and everything is on the top left. It's nice and big, so you can see it. You got a clickable phone here. You got a drop-down menu. You got an About Us. Looks really nice. You could get a free inspection here. I like how you have your vans lined up here. A photo of it looks really nice. 24/7. These look. Oh yeah, these are clickables here. Okay, looks like you have some content. Scroll down. You got a picture of some employees there. Looks really nice. Water, fire, mold. Really like it. Now, but what Google really loves and what they look for on a website is content. Now, to Google, content is king, and they prefer about 1,500 to 2,000 words of that content just on your homepage alone. Now, from the looks of it, it looks like you got maybe a couple hundred words of content on here. What else Google really loves is if you have a keyword for every 250 words of content embedded inside of your homepage. So, yeah, but overall, your website looks really nice, and there's always room for improvement. So let's take a quick look at your competitor's website. So here's your competitor website. They have drop downs also as well. Can't really read their logo. Yours I could definitely read, so I like yours better. Let's take a quick look. All right, so let's take a gander. Yeah, these words here are definitely look like keywords, but are not embedded inside the content of this site. So, but this looks like it's got about maybe 600 words of content, maybe a little more, but it doesn't look like it's completely optimized with content. So anyway, in a nutshell, that's kind of what Google looks for. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. Now, there is this tool, it's called Ahrefs. Anyone can have access to this. This one I pay for, so I really like my tools to be the best. That way, it's very accurate. So I typed in Jarvis restoration inside the URL, and this is a bird's eye view, if you will, a backlink profile of Jarvis restoration. Now, you have your power here. which is your strength, and your trust. So this is basically what it shows you, how many keywords you're utilizing on this website, and also how much traffic is going through it. So let's take a quick look at the keywords you're using. It says 207. 201 keywords is what you're actually using. You may have 207 keywords going to your website, but with proper SEO, backlinking, and all that fun stuff, you could definitely up your game on that. So let's take a quick look at the competitors. So this is Balanced Comfort. Now this is what they look like here. Here is their strength, their trust, and they have about 2,400K traffic. Wow, that's pretty impressive going through there. But it just goes to show how much traffic is going through there, and it also goes to show these numbers should be relatively close to one another, so they could definitely use the help as well. So these guys are not optimizing in every way, if you will. With that being said, that's pretty much all I have for you, and I really hope that this information is very useful to you. So let's take a quick recap what we learned so far. So 3 different ways in how you can be found. The sponsored area here. Also your Google business profile, which is these 3 here. It's 30% of your business can be found up here. The organic section, which is 70% of your business, can be found here. Now, the way I look at it, your website is like an ATM machine. Make it work for you, and it's always best to optimize your investments to the best of your ability, if and at all possible. And with these tips that I showed you today, you should be able to do that. So, oh yeah, and also when I looked at Jarvis restoration, it reminded me of my favorite movie, which is Iron Man. I know this isn't relative to the video, but I really liked that about it. So, with that, I hope this information is useful to you. If you happen to need a guide in any of this, feel free to call me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995. And also my email is joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. You will also see my information in the bottom of the email that I send with this video. Thank you so much, and I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Take care now.